So what the F is AEO? AI engine optimization. You may hear a few other terms like ask engine optimization or answer engine optimization, and I'm here to break it down of really what it is, because you may have heard the term SEO, and this is a little bit different. AEO is focused on getting these LLMs to not only just find your business, but find your website or your content and give the best solution to those people that are asking about it. So when it comes to AEO, they're no longer looking for just backlinks and hot keywords and all the fancy things of SEO, but now they're listening for conversational kind of insight about what your business does. So instead of just making sure your website has all sorts of keywords or hot links that go to other pages, LLMs don't care. They care about understanding what you do and providing that to the consumer. So with AEO, they're looking for AI-based understanding, which I know is a little bit confusing, but think conversation compared to SEO, which is like keywords and hot words and making sure Google understands. LLMs want the consumer to understand. So if you make it easy for the LLMs to understand, so that's GPT, Claude, Bard, then they're gonna be able to suggest your business to people looking for exactly what you do with money in hand. Talk soon. I got so much more coming.